Finance 25A, remaining loan balance. There are times when it's helpful to know what the remaining loan balance is after a certain time period. For example, if you know that you want to move in 3 years, it would be helpful to know what you'll still owe on the loan, so you know how much of the sale of your home will have to go towards paying off the mortgage. First, it's important to remember that only a portion of your loan payments go towards the balance of your loan. The other portion is going towards the interest on your loan. I think we saw that in our amortization schedules. To determine the remaining loan balance, think of it this way. How much loan will these payments be able to pay off in the remaining time left on the loan? Again, how much loan will these payments be able to pay off in the remaining time left of the loan? Example 25A. If a mortgage at a 4.5% interest rate has payments, go ahead and write that down, has payments of $750 a month, get all I can from this, how much will the balance be 10 years from the end of the loan? So we're looking at what's going to happen when there are 10 years left on the loan. So again, how much loan can $750 a month pay off in 10 years at 4.5% interest? Okay, yikes. That should be T equals 10. Okay, so we have P equals 750 times, parentheses 1 minus, parentheses 1 plus, 0.045 divided by 12, raised to the negative 12 times 10 is negative 120, close that parentheses, divided by 0.045 divided by 12. Okay, and if you do not have the fraction bar on your calculator, you need a parentheses here and here. So we should get $72,366.99.